Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I'm Lex MR2, and we have a really busy couple of days ahead of us. We are swapping wheels officially. Chris is having my wheels, I'm having his wheels after many discussions, but that will be a separate video. We are taking my car to go get like a pre-MOT check because I think my suspension's gone. And yeah, we are planning to go down to Oxford Way for a couple of days as well, so just getting the cars ready for that. And yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys along with me because it is manic and it is like 32 degrees outside right now, but we are taking it like absolute champs. But I am sweating so much, and so is Chris. It's too hot, isn't it?
Way too hot.
Way too hot. So yeah, fun. Okay, so update on the situation is this driver's side suspension is so-so. It's fine.
I think it's been altered or
Yeah?
cut or something.
It doesn't look standard.
To me, no. Compared to the other MR2s I've had, more spring rates, more pressure.
But we're gonna do this side now. Just check this side. And yeah, my tire is getting a funny shape as well.
Yeah.
It's like when you spin it, it's going up and down. So it's become misshaped, which isn't good. So yeah, not too sure what we're gonna do about that, but Toyota. Or do you think the suspension will be alright just to pass it?
Well, the springs aren't broke, the shocks aren't leaking, they were like it last year.
Yeah.
So I can't see it being a problem.
Okay.
Okay,
so I am getting new tyres for the fronts. Gonna put the fronts on the rear, and then get like new valves, everything like that, because all my valves are gone. Rust is surprisingly okay. It is not rusty, guys. It is not rusty. You guys may not know this, but this is actually my other car, which has also failed MOT for rust in exactly the same place that the MR2 failed. And here we go. Ignore how disgusting that is actually. That's really gross. Yeah, so this car is gonna get an MOT really soon, gonna get welded, and then I can have this one whilst that one's in for MOT, and hopefully it passes because I want to get this done as soon as possible because I want my car back and I don't want to have to drive that one. Right, Chris has jacked his car up, now jacking my car up.
you get the nicer jack.
I get the nicer jack. Thank you, baby. Chris can jack his car up in like 3 pumps. Mine's taking about 20 because stock suspension, guys. Well, we figured out not so stock suspension. Lowering springs. So not only are we swapping wheels, I also get this tyre, which, yeah, okay,
Perfect.
okay. I'm really seeing who's got the better trade-off here.
Me.
My walnut's having a really hard time coming off right now. Very rusty, but yeah, I've got new ones on the front. I just need to get the ones for the rear. You can see how rusty my spacer is as well. It's not nice.
We have a hub-centric ring on this side, but not the other. How bizarre.
Strange.
Might have to take it out.
Oh. Oh god, is it not going to fit?
No, the hub-centric facer just comes out really easily.
Oh, okay. The mini pry tool comes in handy yet again.
Well, hopefully.
Hopefully. So because I'm not going anywhere this weekend and my wheels don't need to be on perfect, we've just sort of rammed the wheel on and now just putting some wheel nuts on just to hold it on there. The like hub-centric wheel spacer is still on there because we can't get it off.
The person that put it on before decided not to put grease under it, so it's pretty on
So
there.
if you're watching this video, thanks a lot.
It will die with the spacers.
Okay. It's going down with them, but again, it doesn't matter because I'm not driving this weekend, so that's fine. We've got time to sort it out. Okay, so rears on Chris's car are done, rears on mine are done. Chris is just letting the car down, then we're going to do the front. Do we need safety blanks? What?
No, we're good.
Are we okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
We got
As long
enough.
as you say so.
Yeah, we got enough meat.
Okay. So Chris has stolen my wheels. And yeah, now I'm left with whatever that is. So yeah, that's fun, isn't it? But I've got that for the weekend. He's got my wheels for the weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. So my wheels are rubbing on Chris's car now. So Chris is now going to roll his fenders just so he can have my wheels on his car. Oh dear.
Got to get it past this.
Yeah, well, is that going to be okay? Because I don't want that in my fucking tyre. So it has to be that side.
I never thought I'd be rolling my fenders this way.
No, I didn't think we'd be rolling fenders right now either, but here we are.
It'll just push the back up like that.
Oh dear.
Like this.
I don't like this either. I think this is a bad idea. Okay guys, welcome to Lex MR2 driving Chris White 353's car. He's going to tell me to get out in a minute. We've just figured out we can't roll his arches because his arches are bonded arches. How's it looking with my wheels on?
Huh?
How's it looking with my wheels on?
It's looking great.
Looking great. Can't drive it though. Looks great though. So yeah, I hope our tyres are going to be okay for the drive down tomorrow. We've got about a 2-hour drive. So that's fun in the heat. I don't know what time we're leaving yet. Literally no idea. But Chris is going drifting, which is so exciting. And I'm so like, it's such an incredibly proud moment. I can't wait to see him. My heart is going to be in my mouth because I'm so nervous. But yeah. Okay, wheel setting off. There is some, I can hear the tyre rub.
You ready to smell some burning rubber?
Oh! Oh! Oh my god. The smell is like horrific right now. I've just burnt rubber in the car. Oh my god. You can just hear it scraping it off.
Should we see if it self-clears?
Yeah.
Well, we might know if we need to buy tyres sooner than we thought.
Yep.
That's smoking.
What? Oh, the speed bump's an awful one.
It's self-clearing.
It's self-clearing. Absolutely shredding this.
Good thing they're
That is like boiling. You can just see.
full of smoke, yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that going to be okay for the motorway? So right now Chris has just left me to chill with the car up the road whilst he's walked back to my car to get the jack and all the tools and everything, because we're going to have to raise his car here, which is what I told him to do in the first place. But car girls, you will know, if you have a car boyfriend, he will not listen to you because he knows more about cars than you do. So and then it always turns out that you're right. Always turns out that you're right. So yeah, I'm just chilling here whilst I wait for him to come back. I don't know when, but it's like, ugh, it's so late, it's so hot, I am melting. Luckily I have my water with me right now. But yeah, moment of truth.
Oh, we're much higher. That's depressingly higher.
Okay, so Chris has just raised the car on the side of the road, so he's sorted his coilovers, everything like that, and we're going to take it on finally the last test drive, and then we can go home.